Hello, my name is Sydney Alvarado, and today I will be covering the issue of cloning. In this presentation, I will be covering the scope of the issue, the pros and cons of cloning and its procedure, provide evidence on the effects that it has, and give methods used by supporters and critics to solve the issue, discuss methods of publication, and finally provide a solution to the issue in my last slide. The scope of the issue could vary. For example, cloning one person could have effect on the individual being cloned, the clone itself, and the immediate people around them, whereas cloning a whole community can have a significant effect on society. In addition to cloning humans, scientists have cloned animals. Cloning animals has helped scientists to improve the cloning procedure on animals and has aided them in the pursuit of medical advancement, but has also provoked religious-affiliated individuals to protest against cloning. Although this procedure has the potential to guide scholars toward medical breakthroughs, cloning animals and humans have a very low success rate. After further research, studies show that somatic cell nuclear transfer success rates vary from 0.1% to 3%. Cloned animals and humans that actually do survive often experience problems later in their life, such as LOS or large offspring syndrome, causing several other abnormalities to come about, such as problems with breathing and blood flow. Clones who don't experience LOS are prone to developing kidney or brain malformations and impaired immune systems, which can cause problems later in their lifespan. Studies show that abnormalities or failures in embryo development result from incomplete reprogramming in the nucleus. Evidence also shows that clones age faster. Despite these failures, successes in cloning can lead to medical advances. Cloning can be used to find out about genes that causes disease and help to cure these diseases. Cloning can also help in the area of regenerative medicine. Human cloning can provide genetically identical cells used to cure diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and even help burn treatment and plastic surgery. Although it is evident that cloning could pave the way to new medical advances, it is clear that the success rate is what's holding the procedures back. Methods currently used to solve this issue include researching the cloning process. By becoming more informed with the cloning process, hopefully scientists can increase the success rates. In addition, scientists are making efforts to improve reprogramming the genomes correctly in order to prevent mutations and diseases within clones. Lastly, others are taking measures to stop cloning. For example, many view the issue from a religious standpoint and set up protests to put an end to cloning altogether, as they feel the procedure is unethical. Critics also feel that cloning limits uniqueness and individuality and can lead to an attempt to control society. Whether the public views the issue from a religious standpoint or from a scientific standpoint, ethics are in the eye of the beholder. However, I think that it is right that both the pros and the cons of the cloning procedure are publicized. Some methods used to inform the public on cloning include education through documentaries, infomercials, books, magazine articles, news articles, or any other media source. In addition, TED Talks, reports, speeches are all effective methods used to educate the public on this social issue. I think that cloning should be pursued in a balanced fashion. Cloning used to promote medical advances and cures should be pursued. However, cloning humans in an attempt to create a mass armada or a superior race, or cloning animals for scientific experiments should not be pursued. My name is Sydney Alvarado, and thank you for listening to my TED Talk.